Transferring data from an old phone to a new phone can be a relatively straightforward process, but the exact steps can vary depending on the make and model of your phones and the operating systems they use. Here are general steps to follow. Back up your old phone. Before you start, make sure to back up all your data on your old phone. This can include contacts, photos, videos, messages, apps, and settings. You can use cloud services like Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iOS to back up your data. Check compatibility. Ensure that your new phone is compatible with the data transfer method you plan to use. For instance, if you are switching from Android to Android or iPhone to iPhone, the process may be smoother. If you are switching between different operating systems, you may need to use third-party tools or services. Use built-in tools. Android to Android. For Android phones, you can use the Google Drive Backup feature to back up and restore your data. This will include contacts, apps, and other settings. You can also use the Samsung Smart Switch app if you are switching to a Samsung phone. iOS to iOS. For iPhones, you can use iCloud or iTunes to create a backup. Then, on your new iPhone, during the setup process, choose the option to restore from iCloud or iTunes backup. Android to iOS. Moving from Android to iOS can be a bit more complex. You may need to use third-party apps or services like Move to iOS, provided by Apple or other data transfer tools. iOS to Android. Transferring data from iOS to Android also requires third-party apps or services. Google has a Google Drive app for iOS that can help migrate data to your new Android device. Transfer contacts. Ensure that your contacts are synchronized with your Google account, Android or iCloud account, iOS before the transfer. This way, they will be automatically available on your new phone. Transfer photos and videos. Use cloud services like Google Photos or iCloud Photos to store and sync your media files. Once you log into the same account on your new phone, your photos and videos will be accessible. Transfer apps and app data. For Android, apps can be reinstalled from the Google Play Store. Some app data may also be automatically restored if the app supports it. Remember that the specific steps and options may vary depending on your phone's brand and model, as well as the operating system version. Always refer to your phone's user manual or the manufacturer's website for detailed instructions tailored to your device. To know more information, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.